am Vijay Kumar Pal, an English author. Uh, as you are well aware that we are disclosing or exposing the Islamic Gunism or the Islamic stupidity by the Islamic people. The every Muslim who is the true Muslim is a goon, is a certified criminal if he does accordingly as written in the Quran and the Islamic jurisprudence, that is the fiqh. So the fiqh and the Islamic jurisprudence is the totally Gundaism, because the Muhammad was the robber, killer and the rapist. Nobody can save the character of the Muhammad. Nobody can save the Muhammad. So this is why these Islamic goons are threatening the peoples. This is why we have made a Kafir International Army. Everybody who is non-Muslim, atheist, or not the true Muslims, not the Muslim, non-Muslim, only non-Muslim, atheist, and not only non-Muslim, including atheist, can be the member of this Kafir International Army. There is no need of any registration, no registration at all. But you are the member of the Kafir International Army by birth. If you are non-Muslims, atheist, or the having the human values in your mind and respect the woman and the man and the children, you are the member of Kafir International Army. Because Muslim cannot respect the woman and the non-Muslim, so there are the Islamic goons. The purpose of this army, the Kafir International Army, only to eliminate the such goon of the Islam, not even non-Muslim country, but the Islamic majority countries, because there are many members of this Kafir International Army are residing in the Islamic countries, because Islamic country is a synonymous of the groups of mental retarded people. It is very happy news to us that in the all Islamic countries there are a lot of the people which are joining our army, because they are not Muslim. They are hidden in the cover of the Muslims, because due to the fear of the killing of such Islamic goons. Because in Islam, if you are living the Islam or you are the ex-Muslim, then you are the criminal, hardcore criminal, and the Islam allows to kill you. But this goonism of Islam cannot be run now. And every single Muslim or the true Muslim who will threat us on even the Facebook, we will eliminate that Muslim where he is living, whether even in the Makkah, he will be eliminated by the Kafir International Army for save the humanity. We are the savior of the humanity or human values. So now we will disclose the persecution of the Dawoodi Bohra, a moderate Islam, though Islam is not moderate. This is the only al-taqiyya or the cheating, because they are not anti anybody, respecting many problems mainstream in Islam. This sect, Bohra Muslims, are good natured people which are living in India mainly. They are converted from Hindus, and majority of Bohra is engaged in business, and basically Bohra are Shias. Largest number of Bohras are the resident of India, Pakistan, Yemen, East Africa, and in Gulf also. And their population is only 1 million. They offer namaz 5 times in a day, fast in Ramzan month or Ramadan month, perform Hajj, Umrah, Zakat. The Dawoodi Bohra community is organized and nobility as they are living with peace everywhere. They respect Hindus and do not think that all Hindus are Kafirs as Sunni sect of the Muslims. The word Bohra comes from the Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, mainly in Aligarh and Hathras, Mathura, Agra and adjoining area, as Bohre, Bohar or Bohre, used in Vehvar means trade. Bohra is the subject sect of the Islam. Women of Bohra are well educated and have the honors of the dar. The Bohra women who are Shia Muslims are always living with Hindus with humanity, but they always face humiliation by the Muslims. Persecution of the Ismaili Muslims. This group also facing too much humiliation from Muslim. This is a basically subsect of the Islam and took the name Ismaili. This group known as Shia Muslims, and the Ismaila name taken from Imam Ismail ibn Jafraz, the appointed spiritual successor to the Jafar al-Sadiq, wherein they differ from Osli, Sian, Akbarij, Alvis, and Bekatship and the Alvites, who accepted Musa al-Khadim, younger brother of Ismaila, as the true Imam. The Fatimid Caliphate was also known as powerful Ismaili 10th to 12th century Ismaili believes in only one God as well as oneness of God, as well as the closing of divine revelation with Prophet Muhammad. The Ismailia and the 12 both the accept the same six initial Imam. The Ismaili accept Ismail Jafar as the seventh Imam. After death of Imam Hassan and his family were increasing persecuted as well as religious and politically being Shia sect. The persecution was in common places under the reign of Muawiyah Yazid in turmoil of 680 Anna Domini, Husayn along with women and children of his family Hussein. Upon receiving the invitation, letters and gesture of support by Kufis, wished to go Kufa and conferred with Yazid as an intercessor, a part of the citizen of the empire. His family was starved after being checked by Yazid. Hussein was killed on the 10th day by Yazid army, companions and rest of the women and family of the king. Then Kufa. So these Muslims are persecuted by Sunni Muslims. After being freed by Yazid, Zainab bint Ali, the daughter of the Fatima and Ali and the sister of Hassan, started spreading the word of Karbala to the Muslim world, making speeches regarding the event. This was the first organized Oyawa of the Shia, which later developed to an extremely spiritual institution of the Ismailis. After the poisoning the Auban Hussein Zayed al-Abadin by Hisam ibn al-Malik in 713 AD, Shiism's first successor crisis arose with Zayed ibn Ali, companions and the Jaids who claimed Zayed ibn Ali as Imam, means son of Imam Ali, while rest of Shia upheld Muhammad al-Bakr as the Imam. The Zaydis argued that any Sayyid or descendant of the Muhammad Sahib, either Hassan or Hussein, who rebelled against the tyranny and the injustice of his age, could be Imam. The Yazid created the first Shiite state in Iran, Iraq and Yemen, and one Moscow Islamist was destroyed by invaders in Afghanistan. Persecution of Christians by Muslims or Muslims. Dispute in between Christianity and Islam were present since origin of the Islam. Christianity fixed date almost 2026-year-old and Islam only 14 years old. Cult. We will not say religion for all Abrahamic religion as cult because their cults have been their own God as Yahweh, Yahweh, Allah. Particularly, relatively, their gods are separate as king dynasty from country to country since inception of the Islam. There was not any single Muslim in Prophet Muhammad Sahib knew this factor. At the age 14, when he went to Gare Hira or the cave of Hira or Hira cave in Makkah and met with Jibril angel, this is all the fabricated story. But Muhammad Sahib did not knew that he was Gabriel angel, but Isa told him he was the Jibril angel or the Gabriel angel, and Christianity was not any cult. But after the death of Jesus, a cult was born as Jesus Christ due to the crucifixion of Jesus by Jews. Christian missionaries were targeted always by Muslims, as Christian missionaries are famous for conversion throughout the world. The Muslims are not behind to Christian in this matter. All Islamic king spread the Islam by sword because the verses of Quran, which are spreading violence since inception of Islam and prophecy by Muhammad Sahib, is the main obstruction. Declare Imam a cult of peace, though Christians were perpetrated from the date of crucifixion and in many Islamic countries. So let us see where the salient feature of the persecution of Christian be briefed and later on detailed by Muslims. This topic has two topics: before Islam and in the Islamic time. These conflicts are in which Islam, Gunism always is an operator. Sri Lanka, Buddhist, Hindu, Islam was a disturbed religion as bombing in churches, churches by the Mu'min brethren. India Hindu versus Muslim. Muslims want to convert this country as Sharia imposed country, and this is the prime aim of as usually dictatorship of Islam. Pakistan minority versus violent Islam. Here in Pakistan, minorities as Hindus, including Sikh and the Christian and Ahmadi Muslims, are the part of the persecution. Bangladesh. Fanatic Muslims are persecuting the Hindus and other minorities. Sudan. Islamic fanatics and their government clashes with Christian by Muslims. Myanmar Rohingya Muslims were disturbing the peaceful Myanmar and mass killing of the Hindus by Muslims. So Buddhists came in favor of Hindus because Buddhists, Sikhs, Jain and the Hindus are the integral part of the Sanatan Vedic religion and culture. South Sudan, due to fanatic Muslims in countries very unsafe to the tourists attacked by Muslim-owned churches. Samuel Paty was killed in France, and after this, the French government took deemed fit against action mental retarded Muslim. Afghanistan is a very disturbed by the Muslims and the dangerous to the Hindus, Christians, even Ahmadiyya Muslims, Ismailia Muslims, Shia Muslims with are a minority due to the stupidity of the Taliban. As they are less educated, but this is very happy news. Afghan youth are becoming the ex-Muslims. Chechnya is disturbed by the fanatic Muslims and the insurgency is going on from the last 30 years. Saudi Arabia is very unsafe. Even a non-Muslim stated that Muslim of Arab are still following. That earth is not moving, and even in non-Muslim states, that earth is round, which is correct. Then it will be blasphemy and mountains not made by the God as paperweight to save the wipe out the earth. And there was no Burak animal as per evolution theory. But even you dare to tell Muslim in Arab country or Islamic countries, you will be get death penalty without any cause. But in Arab countries also, Islam is counting their last steps as per report of ex-Muslims. And the correct thing, if Quran states is not correct, you have to say as per Islamic doctrine, otherwise you are best choice of insane Muslims. As गुस्ताखे रसूल की यही सजा सरतन से जुदा means penalty against the wrong verses of the Quran. If you oppose this, your head must be beheaded. If you are weak, otherwise you are strong, then they will say it is your thinking only. Inshallah, Musalla and Muhammad Sahib have no relation with correctness. Every nobody will believe in the correct things, but they are very happy if all above cited facts of the science you will say are not correct. But Quran Majid is correct, which state the earth is flat, not moving but static, mountains showing by Allah on the earth, and Prophet went to heaven on the riding on the Burak animal. Persecution of the Christian before Islam. Early Christianity were persecuted by Jews because Jews were outnumbered than Christian and the Romans, who controlled most of the land across the country of Romans in the Roman kingdom. Christianity started slowly by the conversion of Roman people, which were irreligious or having their old faith of special God. Early persecution was ended by the Roman by the Edict of the Sardia, issued 311 Anno Domini in Sardica, now Sofia, Bulgarian, by Roman King Galerius Illoficili, ended the geocentric persecution of the Christianity in East, and the practice of the Christianity legalized by the Edict of the Milan, Italy. There, after Christians were began persecuted to each other. The schism of the late antiquity and the Middle Ages, including Roman Constantinople schism and the many of churches to the logical controversies, together with the Protestants reformed, provoked several conflicts between infighting for the Christian denomination. During the conflict, the various groups of the Christian persecuted each other. In 20th century, Christianity were prosecuted as many times, and mass killing during Ottoman Empire. Persecution of the Christians also were present. Christians have the largest population, but even today persecuted by the Muslims. Approximately 10% population is residing out of the Christian majority country. In Iraq, this community was persecuted by ISIL or the ISS, Chief Abu Bakr al-Baghdadi, or lunatic stupid terrorist, and the many countries in Africa continent. Their countries are Myanmar, China, Iran, Nigeria, North Korea, Pakistan, Russia, Saudi Arabia, Syria, and the Vietnam. Christians are under persecution, but in India, the Christian never been persecuted. Though in India, Christian missionaries have the dark history of conversion by these missionaries. But in India, conversion of Hindus, ST, SC in Christianity and Islam is a great cause of this so-called conversion. Vatican City and the Christian missionaries are converging the poor people into Christianity by greed of money. Even the creation of the universe as per Abrahamic religion is totally false in 6 days only. Everybody has right to disclose this fact, and Hindu society is doing this to disclose the false assumptions of the Abrahamic religion, so this cannot be persecution. But eye opener to the missionaries of the Abrahamic religion, Christianity, Judaism, Islam. Though Judaism is not very popular in India, so Christian missionaries and the follower of Islam are doing the persecution of Hindus for spreading the false assumption of their cult. Everybody knows that Bible and Quran are only false assumption, having no reality from Genesis, and the Quran science is totally false. So even Christianity majority countries and Muslim majority countries, the people living their cults very rapidly. So in the India, persecution is being done by so-called Indian secular politician. In 21st century, people are persecuted by only Muslim in the form of the genocide. So this is the video to show the persecution of the some sector of the Muslim and the Christianism. Thank you very much.